Hello everyone and welcome to this walkthrough of Rail Manthan, an AI-powered railway control and analytics system built for smarter, safer and more efficient train operations in the Indian Railways. Rail Manthan is designed to optimize traffic flow, reduce delays and improve punctuality using real-time data and intelligent recommendations. Let's dive into how it works. We begin at the login screen where authorized railway controllers enter their credentials to securely access the system. Here we enter the controller username, for example demo.controller at the rate no sorry 01, and now we enter the password associated with the username and we press enter. Once logged in, we arrive at the control center, the main dashboard. From here, users can navigate to core modules like the Operations Hub, live signaling, WATF analysis, and alerts and notifications. Here we can also view the live throughput analysis, which shows the average number of trains per hour passing through a section, the punctuality of these trains, the average speed, and etc. Let's open the Operations Hub. This is where AI recommendations come into the picture. For instance, the system suggested rerouting Rajdhani Express to ease congestion at the Mumbai Central Railway Station with projected savings in delayed times and the operational cost. Each recommendation includes severity, the confidence score, the expected impact, and whether it was accepted or rejected. It also shows the trains involved as well as the implementation time. This helps decision makers act quickly and transparently. Now we will be moving on to the live signaling and track view, which is a real-time diagram of train positions across stations and tracks. Signals are color-coded: green for clear, yellow for caution, and green and red for stop. Controllers can directly manage signal states and monitor train movement to ensure safe and efficient traffic control. Here we can also see the live train status, which shows that there are 5 active trains and the average speed of these trains is 66 kilometers per hour. Now, if we suppose we click on a train and we can see the train details, for example, it's a cargo express with its train ID F2847, speed of 35 kilometers per hour, and it is on schedule, that is its punctuality, and the route, the source and the destination of the train, that is from Mumbai to Delhi main line with a capacity of 1200 passengers. Now let's explore the WATF analysis tool, a simulation engine for testing scenarios before applying them live. Now suppose we choose a train, for example the Rajdhani Express, with an additional delay of 5 minutes. The route option is alternative route to track 2 and the scenario description, for example maintenance platform. Now if we run the simulation, we can get the simulation results. The system predicts outcomes like congestion, impact, or delay propagation, which helps controllers in making informed decisions without disrupting actual operations. Moving on to the alerts and notifications, this section provides real-time disruption alerts from signal failures to heavy fog warnings, etc. Each alert includes severity, affected trains, and estimated resolution time. Controllers can acknowledge alerts or assign them to staff for quick resolution, ensuring minimal downtime. So here we can see the status is changed to acknowledged and assigned to controllers. To summarize, Rail Manthan brings together AI powered recommendations, live signaling, predictive simulations, and real time alerts, all in one unified platform. It is built to reduce delays, enhance passenger experience, and optimize railway operations at scale. This is our project Rail Manthan, and thank you for watching.